So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix iPhone 16 Pro Max not connecting pairing to the Apple Watch. So guys, first of all you try to check your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi setting. You try to enable both of the settings. Okay, so here I'm going to enable and just press it and turn it in. Okay, and just close it, and here you just go and check that your Apple Watch is connected or not. So my watch is connected and it's asking me to finish up, so this is properly connect. Okay, and you also bring your device closer together. Okay, so guys, sometime we are doing the things with the long distance, so you keep your Apple phone and your watch close together during the pairing process to ensure that they are within the range. Okay, and another thing is you try to restart both of the devices. Okay, so guys, for restarting can resolve the temporary glitches, and if we are talking about how we restart the watch, so you press both of the buttons simultaneously and your restart process goes on. Okay, and for restarting the phone, you just tab your volume up once, then down, and press the power button simultaneously. Okay, after the few seconds your phone is also restart. Okay, and you also try to unpair your watch. For unpairing, you just go to the Bluetooth. Here you just tap on disconnected by going to the setting of your Bluetooth, like here, and you just tab it and remove it. Okay, so this is also way to remove your watch from your mobile phone. Okay, and the last thing is you try to reset your Apple Watch. So guys, for resetting your Apple Watch, you just go to the settings of your iPhone watch. Okay, so you just go here and then tap on the setting icon, then move downward and find the option journal, and in the journal you move downward, and here you can check the option of reset, and you just tap on the erase or the contact and the settings, all the content and the setting. Just tap it and your watch is reset. Okay, so this is also way to resolve the solution. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.